There's a good ball. There's a lovely chance. Oh, Kaizer bundled it over. We've got 7. Well, now defensive error. Mango chasing it down and looking to see them opponents secure the 2-goal cushion all on his own.
Mango. Shots, goal! Crashing goal!
5th in all competitions, gets it.
Into the path here of Mamela, he can strike, but he tees it up for Mango, who tucks it into the back of the net. Off the underside of the woodwork it in. Gabadinho Mango has 2 in the game and half a dozen league goals this season.
Shonga waiting in the middle. Lovely little burst of speed here! And an opening goal for Orlando Pirates!
And they've got more problems coming their way here. Mango pushing forward. Yes, Mango! Oh, it's a banger! A click banger from Mango! Pinch run from Gabadinho Mango. Here is Gabadinho Mango! Doing it all on his own here. Ebon Mabaso has Mamela in field. Will find Mango, who gets his hat-trick.
Mamela. Lovely ball in there for Mango. 1-0. That was superbly done by the Buccaneers.
Mako, there's a chance for another goal. And now Mango might not have had the first touch, but he does get the second.
Mango scores! Here's Mabaso. Gets it in there. Keeper doesn't hold on. Trouble! It's him again. Mango